What's up, YouTube? Thanks for coming to my channel. My name is OneOfAKind Vlogs. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, cut on post notifications so you never miss a video, and comment down below. Now, to start off the new year, cooking with OneOfAKind Vlogs. Get them bangers, baby. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited. Oh, man. So I'm going in here and cook. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to show you what it is. Just a little something, something I thought about, trying to eat a little bit more healthier than last year, trying to lose a little weight, gotta eat right, exercise a little bit. Might do an exercise video. Well, anyway, I'll be right back, heading in the kitchen.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that cooking vlog. I had to chop it up so it make it look good. But this is the end of my video. Again, again, I want to thank y'all for coming and just viewing it. Hopefully you watch the whole thing, but if not, hey, it is what it is, man. At least you took your time out to watch it, and I'm greatly appreciated. So, until next time, be there or be where you're too blessed. You know the rest. Say it with me. You're too blessed.